Okay, continuing on to question number 3. It says the base and all 3 faces of a triangular pyramid are equilateral triangles. That's important. So underline it. With side lengths of 3. The height of each triangle is 2.6 feet. Use the net to find the lateral area and the total surface area of the triangular pyramid. You said the base is right here in the middle. And then these are my lateral faces. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Now, in your notes or notebook, you need to continue showing work there in order for this to make sense. I cannot squeeze a whole bunch of work up and around here because it'll get messy and we'll get lost and we won't understand the flow. So, number 3. What do I need first? Girls, pay attention. Thank you. My lateral area. What are my lateral faces? Triangles. How many?
4.
How many are colored green?
4. 3.
Okay, the lateral area or the lateral faces do not include who?
The base.
They don't include the base. My clock's broken. 3 triangles. Are all the triangles the same?
Yes.
All right. So, area of a triangle is who, what?
1/2.
Base times height divided by 2. So, what's my base and height of this triangle?
On your base is 1.6.
2.6 times 3 divided by 2. What's half of 2.6?
1.3.
1.3 times 3. What's 3 times 13?
39.
Good. So what's 3 times 1.3?
3 times 1.9.
3.9. Way to stay caught on. This is 1 triangle. How many do I need?
3.
3.
So you can just multiply that times 3.
Come on. Let's go. 3.9 times 3. Good. 11.7 feet squared. This is also my who? I haven't even started TSA yet.
Your something surface area.
My lateral area. Now it's time for TSA. All my surfaces, total surfaces area. Surface is just a fancy way of saying face. What are all of the faces here?
Triangle.
Triangles. How many do I have?
4.
4 triangles. Are they all the same?
Yes.
Great. Area equals, what's my area for 1 triangle?
3.9.
3.9. So 4 triangles is what?
You just gotta add equals 3.9.
I can add this and that.
4.2.
14, 15, 15.6.
3.9 times 4 or 11.7 plus 3.9 will give me 15.6 feet squared. This is my total surface area. This is also mathematics. I can get the same answer 2 different ways at least.
What's that most?
I don't know. It could be infinite different ways to solve this. Everybody's brain doesn't work the same. All I want you to do is get the correct answer. Moving on to question number 4. It says use a net to find the lateral area and the total surface area of the pyramid. So, still in my notes where I'm showing my work. To find the lateral area and the total surface area of a pyramid. What does it tell me to use?
A net.
Did they give me a net? So what do I have to do? Okay, find it where? How do I find something that's not even on here?
Make it.
Make it. Draw it. What's my base? What is the shape of it?
Square.
Rectangle or square, same thing. It is a quadrilateral. Lateral means lines. Quad means 4. It's got 4 lines. And then what are its lateral faces?
Triangle. Hold on. Yeah, hold on.
What?
How many triangles is that? Look,
One for each side of the square.
4, but they're divided. They're divided in half.
what about that?
One side of each, or one for each side of the square.
That's
Aren't
two.
they in half then? Because there's a line.
Let me try.
How tall are these triangles?
20.
Set. That's 20.
I mean, yeah.
Yeah, it's 20.
Oh, yeah, 20.
They cut this in half to show you the height, because height of a triangle is perpendicular to its base. What did I do in the previous problem? Look back at it.
So you did to that one. You had to that one. You wait. Well, that's just the height.
I didn't circle anything.
20.
I'm finding the lateral area and the total surface area. Look back at question number 3. What did I write? I know y'all ain't in here talking.
So you have 4 triangles.
Thank you. 4 triangles will give me what? Look back at the previous question. Okay, first of all, the numbers have changed. Second of all, what did I write next to the triangles or the squares or whatever in the previous problem, ladies and gentlemen?
The area.
What did I write over here?
4.
No, I did not write. Thank you. What does LA mean?
Lateral area.
Lateral areas, 4 triangles.
Oh.
Are all of them the same?
Yes.
So it'll be 4 times my area, which is what? What is the formula for area of a triangle? Base times height divided by 2.
Yeah.
Or 1/2 base times height. It doesn't matter. I prefer this one though because it's easier to work out. What's the base and the height of my triangle?
16. Hold on. 16. Wait, 20.
Divided by 2. What's 20 times 16? 320 divided by 2. What's half of 32? And what's half of 320?
160.
I also could have found this by doing half of 20, which is 10, times 16, which still gives me 160. Okay? This 160 is 1 triangle. Good. 4 triangles is 160 times 4.
640.
640. This is my lateral area. Inches squared. Am I done? What do I have to do now?
You have to find your TSA, your total surface area.
What are all of my surfaces? 4 triangles and a rectangle. These 4 triangles are my what?
Your lateral area.
My lateral area, and this rectangle is my what?
Your TSA.
Nope.
Your surface area.
Nope.
Oh, your neck.
What is the rectangle?
base.
The base. Thank you.
Yeah.
Do I already have my 4 triangles?
Yes.
Yep. How many rectangles? Just one. What's the area of a rectangle?
Oh, based on
What's the base and the height of this rectangle?
4
4.
Wait. Oh, my bad. 16 and 16.
Good. $16 times 16 was in the book in the first example. Flip back. The previous page, 2 or 329.
256.
Thank you. Work smarter, not harder. Now what do I do?
Oh,
Thank you. That's what it tells me to do. 640 plus 256 is how many square inches? 896. Thank you. All right, going on. What's the difference between these two? Good. The difference is 256. Why?
Because
No, it's not just because. I wrote the reason down at the very beginning in your note of your notes on page 329.
Because LA and TSA is the area of the base. I mean, what? Because it's usually because it's the dimensions. Because it's the area of the base.
The area of the base. Thank you. Pardon? Is it time to go already?